I want to show you how to make a wipe slide transition effect in Premiere Pro. For this effect to work, you need two identical videos where the second clip has no movement edits, like crop, otherwise they won't line up, creating a strange transition. So here are my two clips. One is faded and the other has been modified and is oversaturated. Find where you want the transition to happen and make a cut in both of the clips by holding Ctrl and pushing K on your keyboard. Now delete the beginning of the modified clip and the end of the original clip, and drag them down together so they form one single clip again. Now go over to Effects and type in Wipe, and click and drag it onto the new transition where your clips meet up. Now you can adjust the speed of the wipe by clicking and dragging the red bracket icon near the effect and moving it in for more speed or out for a slower transition. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.